stomping on the table. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Do your river dance. River dance. Nice. Is that Dada's box? I think that's Quinn's. Careful, it's gonna spill. Okay, let's put it down on the ground. Why are those Daddy's toys? No, give them back to Daddy. Yeah. They're Daddy's. Yeah. Oh, isn't she generous?
Mama, look at Daddy's.
Let's build this tower.
This B. It's a B. It's a B sticky. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What letter is this, Quinn?
A B.
Nice, it is a B.
What letter is this?
A B. A.
Wow.
What letter is this?
This is
What letter?
C.
Very good.
I didn't know she
What
knew
letter
A and
is this?
C.
What letter?
She doesn't
A
know E.
P.
A P. Well,
You got 3 letters. What letter is this?
A Pinky.
and I think ABC is a good start,
Yeah.
right?
Well, let's just see
start
what
with
else she
ABC.
knows. What letter is this?
A
I've only taught her ABC.
What letter is this,
Yeah,
Quinn?
yeah. Well, I guess she knows that from the refrigerator. What letter is that?
B.
No.
It's an S.
How about, do you know what letter this is?
K.
Oh, she just makes things up.
Yeah.
O.
Let's see this. Do you know what number that is?
The Pinky.
Yep, a begin.
Do you know what number that is?
A Pinky.
Peking.
See, is there any other one she might just know for some reason? Do you know what letter that is?
B. A B.
Looks like a B. It's hard to say.
It's really hard. We'll work on it. There's no rush. Say bye.
Say bye, Quinn.
Tower time.